In the beginning, we had a vision. We wanted to shift the view about PA systems from something that you need to have to something that you want to have. Integrating seamlessly into any architecture environment, the MAUI P900 should appeal to anyone who values sound and aesthetics equally. Design combined with technology, the MAUI P900.
For this particular project, our vision was to create the perfect balance between straightforward functional and industrial looks of stage equipment and the refined and sophisticated design language of high-end consumer electronics. That's how the idea of a triangular column came to place.
In our concept, we took this triangular solid block of aluminum and partially sliced it off with a laser-sharp diagonal cut. This left a slim column with a solid metal surface emerging from a wider, heavy base. Then we added some contrast and warmth with a very elegant and exclusive grille of acoustic mesh.
Once Porsche Design Studio delivered the design for the MAUI P900, we began our work to translate the P900's visual clarity into one of sound. Our goal was to achieve a very high level of power while maintaining extremely precise audio performance and keeping the overall system as lightweight as possible. To achieve substantial output power from such a small footprint system, we used a state-of-the-art amplifier technology with a total of 50 speakers.
The MAUI P900 also uses our wave-ahead arrangement technology, which places the tweeters in a vertical line in front of the mid-range speaker. They are coupled to our sonic guide waveguide technology. The line array configuration produces wide and even horizontal coverage for large audiences and a very narrow vertical pattern to avoid reflections.
In order to achieve great flexibility and connectivity over Bluetooth, it supports the aptX and AAC codecs. We also implemented the true wireless stereo technology, which enables stereo pairing without the need for cables.
Sound quality is amazing. Thanks to the long throw and dispersion angle, you don't need to worry about a consistent sound coverage within the whole venue, even at a low sound pressure level. On one side, our customers want great clarity of speech, and on the other side, they want massive power. Also, the setup time is a big advantage. A complete PA system is built in a few minutes.
It's always fascinating to see one of our concepts coming to reality. And basically, if a product is properly engineered, the elegance comes by itself.
The big challenge was to arrange the components in the available space in the most practicable way. It was like a good game of Tetris.
When we set up the MAUI P900, everybody is amazed. Is that really a speaker?
The MAUI P900 was a vision. Now it's a reality.